Oh, he's eating. Hey, watch my friend, Ray. Watch my friend.
I bring no.
What's happening breakfast?
Yeah, but your boy Aidan.
Yes, lady.
Yeah, I'm having breakfast.
Aidan, yeah, me know. Nah, give nobody none.
Like, you nobody know.
Oh, I don't eat.
Aidan, yeah,
That's
then
nice.
eat it. But she my
So,
Aidan,
Candy, are you back in Jamaica? Are you back in Jamaica? Are you still there? How
Antigua,
was the show?
the show is so good. Right now,
Yeah.
we can't questioning. The questioning is not me right now, at this moment.
like that.
No, I was just asking if you're back in Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. But I'm going away soon.
Okay, that's okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just come to
That's
get
nice. Okay. That's nice.
Wipe your face. Look at you sweating.
Yes, good man.
So, any new tune? Are you got any new songs?
Last time, I've been one. That's why I put it.
Okay. Wow. Hey guys, can you please share this live to your friends? Because you know, don't know, so can know what is that live. Wait there, how you buy kind? Come on, give you. How them buy kind? Ask your booby how them buy kind. Me have to buy some kind.
Let's go here.
I have to go YouTube it, you know, my friend. The explanation is long.
No, but more give her no, more send some gift. But me, how me buy kind?
You have to go YouTube it.
No, wait. Is anyone in the comment section know how to how can I get some kind to buy? How can I get some kind? Hello? Is anyone in the comment section know about how to get kind?
Oh boy. Yeah. Part of it.
Somebody has sent us some rose candy. I can't tell them thanks. Okay.
Yeah, I told him.
Check. Click.
You full up?
Then click.
What?
Okay, so when I go and click recharge, let me see. Recharge.
No, I'm not saying that.
Okay.
You must talk, you tell me nonsense now for the food. You try eat the food.
These are back now.
But may I click recharge, but
Thank you.
then click the amount of kind you want to purchase.
Type in TikTok recharge and Google. It's cheaper.
No, then click the amount of kind you want to purchase. Okay, let me see. Recharge for here, so.
Guys, remember, don't wait till my daddy repost me.
I know, Candy. Come on. That not ready. Right now, repost. Them thought they're not necessary right now. You're not dead, you shall live. Which dead boy? X. Cut it. Recharge. Right now.
Huh?
It's so frustrating.
What fresh? Fresh. Ah, that's why.
The murder, I'm brush my teeth already.
You know that's why?
It now go through Pinky Boo. Can me a press recharge with the
Come out there, son.
You know, my girl said I will continue follow me. You
Yeah,
know,
so
that's
I continue follow you. Come over here.
adapt me I say, me don't know what she a talk about dead and no.
Yes,
Come on, Candy. Candy, somebody say we dead a gun. Adapt me I say too.
Look like me have to put a padlock on her mouth because she say anything her mind tell her, you know.
No, you not put no padlock for my friend mouth, you know.
Yeah, but anytime she fit up, me take it off, you know. I mean, no what
Bet
she
you
said
put a
wrong.
padlock on the phone where she can't talk on the phone, but no on my friend good mouth, you mad? Candy, what you mean by padlock for your
VIP,
mouth?
Hello,
I'm just
Sassy.
a plane. I'm just struggling.
You know when she a curse
Yeah.
herself like that. Eat the food. And you know left yourself until
Until my
you done that, yeah.
No, sleep, man.
You want to sleep, nigga, right this all you.
Yeah.
You try eat off it. The longer you take, the longer you go there, here. I remember we have the video for the video.
The Imani no.
We waste no time.
No, is.
No, I know yes. The time we there, sit down, you would have done that already.
No?
Me know what they on your mind, you know.
What upon my mind, VIP? You can't know on my mind?
See it, you know.
Yeah, just to guess me.
You try.
One of them people.
Nah, I'm pretty no bro. Alright. Let's remember what you do.
Turn around.
Don't start them life, you're nice. Watch happy life. Them happy, them.
Oh, what a man, boy. That's it nice. Just sleep. Dirty, watch this sleep. But guys, you can come in the chair and swing stuff. Where? She said next. She said a voice note, my baby.
When I finish the live, I post it.
Okay, thanks. She said okay. Okay, thanks, voice note again. One with my own, not 99.
Star Queen, what going? Why pray? Pass the bag, no candy. You no business with nobody, brother. You tell me about man for.
Come talk about yoga.
Good morning, lovebird. Right? Good morning, VIP peoples. Important people in my building, wagwan.
Bend down like a yo-yo. Remember your phone one charging of you.
Yeah, my phone up on 17%. So you say you're in the live then.
Yeah, and
I'm reaching peeps.
in your life and walk with my own. I hear what you want
You
to.
look like you're jealous.
Come on.
Why you say that?
Eh?
Looks are deceiving, you know. Mm. Why would you say such thing?
Yes, come on.
Alright, so I'm gonna get up from which one me there? We go inside, so when I reach in and put my phone on charge, I fall back on the live, alright? VIP, why you eat the buff? Eh? I hear buff me eat? You hear buff? But I can't recall on that. If I so be the case. I'm trying to see. Your name yo?
No single star call.
Candy.
Come on.
Your name yo. Your name yo. Two link up, isn't it, man?
We're going to end the live.
I look at the video and I don't put on the page. Isn't it? So,